Here is a detailed, step-by-step guide to external rendering and internal plastering for a 3-bedroom house, assuming concrete block or brick masonry walls. Part A. External rendering, weatherproofing and decoration. Rendering is the application of a cement sand mortar to the outside of walls. It protects the masonry, improves water resistance, and provides a smooth or textured finish. 1. Surface preparation, critical for adhesion. Times clean the wall. Remove dust, dirt, loose mortar, oil, and algae. Use a wire brush and water jet if needed. Times repair defects. Fill any large holes or cracks with a similar mortar and allow to set. Times dampen the wall. Thoroughly wet the background, but no standing water. This prevents the render from drying too fast and cracking. Times apply a mechanical key, if needed for smooth surfaces, e.g., dense concrete blocks. Score the surface or apply a spatterdash coat, cement plus coarse sand plus water, flicked on to create a rough texture. Let it cure for 24 to 48 hours. Times fix beads or profiles. Times angle beads at external corners. Times stop beads around windows, doors, and at the bottom, above damp-proof course. Times movement beads, straight edge, at every 3 to 5 m to control cracking. 2. Mix proportions, by volume. Coat cement sand water additives. Scratch coat, first layer, 1 3.5 to 4 enough for workable mortar waterproofer, e.g., Sika, per manufacturer. Float coat, second layer, 1 4 to 5 slightly wetter none or small amount of lime. Finish coat, if 3 coat, 1 3 to 4, fine sand, color pigment optional. Sand, sharp, clean, well graded, 0 to 4 mm. Cement, ordinary Portland cement, OPC, 32.5 or 42.5. Lime, optional 5 to 10% by weight improves workability and reduces cracking. 3. Application, 2-coat system, most common. Step 1, scratch coat, 8 to 12 mm thick. Times apply mortar with a steel trowel or by throwing, hawk and trowel. Times press firmly into the wall to achieve good bond. Times roughly level with a straight edge. Times scratch the surface horizontally with a comb or notch trowel, creates key for next coat. Times cure for 24 to 48 hours, keep damp, protect from direct sun or rain. Step 2, float finish coat, 8 to 10 mm thick. Times dampen the scratch coat before applying. Times apply the second coat and level using a straight edge or derby. Times after initial set, when thumbprint hard but not dry, float with a wooden or sponge float to achieve a fine, even texture. Times rub in circular motions to close the surface. Times for a smooth finish, trowel finish, use a steel trowel after floating. Curing, essential. Times keep render damp for at least 7 days. Spray twice daily. Times protect from rapid drying. Cover with plastic or hessian. Times do not allow direct rain within 24 hours. 4. Common rendering defects and prevention. Let me know if you need a material calculation for your specific room dimensions or a troubleshooting guide for common plastering defects. Please don't forget to like and share. You2 Construction, we care.